Good morning. Today concept is improper integral. ನೀನು ಏನು ಕಲ್ತೀರಿ? Proper integral ಕಲ್ತೀರಿ. So ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಅದನ್ನ proper integral ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ನೋಡಿ. Proper integral. Already ಇದನ್ನ PUC second year ಕಲ್ತೀರಿ proper integrals. These are the examples of proper integrals like 1 to 2 log x dx integration of minus 2 to 3 1 divided by x plus 2 into dx x whole square like this. How to integrate this. These kind of examples are called proper integral because of the definition of proper integral is the integration of a to b f of x dx is said to be a definite integral. The definite integral of a to b f of x dx is said to be proper integral when the interval of these limits is the intervals of limits a b a andre idunu tagobekku b andre idunu tagobekku. The interval of these limits are finite irthavu and function should be bounded irthavu. So one condition ಏನು, the interval of limits are finite, f of f is function f of x is bounded. Bounded ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು, this is f of x, ಈ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇದರ ಹಾಕುವರೆ log of 1 value x ಇದ್ದರೆ 1 ಹಾಕುವರೆ log 1 value 0 is finite, log of 2 value 1.72 something again it is finite. Another function bounded ಐತಿ. Yes, these kind of examples are proper integrals. Same thing like this, minus 2 plus 2 ಇದನ್ನ 2 to 3 ತಗೋರಿ. So minus 2 ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ improper ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, not definite. So that's why. So 2 to 3, so x is 2 ಹಾಕೋರಿ, 2 plus 2 is 4, 16 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, 1 by 16 is finite, 3 ಹಾಕೋರಿ 6 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, 36 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, 1 divided by 36 it is a finite. These kind of examples are called proper integrals because of function is bounded and limits, interval of limits a and b or both a b are finite. So these kind of examples are called proper integrals. Clear aita idame? Okay, illinda syllabus start aita nimda. So improper integrals understand aita? Proper integral andre idu, adartha improper integral opposite, proper the dead opposite. So illinda syllabus start aita nam bs idu. The definite integral into b f of x dx is said to be improper integral yavagandra when either a or b or both a and b are finite irbodu athwa infinite irbodu. Function any condition function should be unbounded irbodu athwa bounded irbodu. These kind of examples are called improper integrals. So this is the definition. For examples, so 1 to infinity 1 divided by x dx integration of minus infinity to 2 1 divided by x minus of 1 into dx integration of minus infinity to plus infinity 1 divided by x square plus 1 into dx. So integration of 1 to 2 1 divided by x minus 1 into dx. So integration of minus 2 to 3 1 divided by x into x minus of 3 dx. These are all examples of improper integrals because of the definite integral a and b or both a b are finite irbodu athwa infinite irbodu. Limits ಏನದಾವು infinite irbodu, but ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನದರಲ್ಲಿ limits ಏನದಾವು finite ಇದಾವೆ. finite irbodu limits ಅthwa infinite irbodu. any condition ಏನು, function f of x it is a bounded, ಇದು bounded ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾಕೆ bounded ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ x ಇದ್ದಲ್ಲಿ infinity ಹಾಕೋದು 1 divided by infinity it is 0 is finite, x ಇದ್ದಲ್ಲಿ 1 ಹಾಕೋದು 1 by 1 it is 1. So function is bounded. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಬರೀ function ಇದೆ x ಇದ್ದಲ್ಲಿ 1 ಹಾಕೋದು, so 1 minus 1 0, 1 divided by 0 infinity means function is not defined. 2 ಇದ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಅದು ಮೇಲಿಂದ ಇರಬಹುದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕೆಳಗಿನ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಲೋವರ್ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಇರಬಹುದು ಅಪ್ಪರ್ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಇರಬಹುದು. ತುಂಬಿದ ಮೇಲೆ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ತುಂಬಿದ್ರೆ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇನ್ಫೈನೈಟ್ ಬಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅನ್ಬೌಂಡೆಡ್. ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇದರ ತುಂಬಿದ್ರೆ ಅಪ್ಪರ್ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಆರ್ ಲೋವರ್ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಆರ್ ಬೋತ್ ಅಪ್ಪರ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಲೋವರ್ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಇದರ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ತುಂಬಿದ್ರೆ ಫೈನೈಟ್ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಬೌಂಡೆಡ್. ಸೊ ಇವೆರಡಕ್ಕೂ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತಾ? These kind of examples are called improper integrals. In a method, improper integral means the integral of the definite integral a to b f of x dx is said to be improper integral when either a or b or both a and b are finite or infinite. Second condition, function bounded ಇರಬಹುದು ಅಥವಾ unbounded ಇರಬಹುದು. So there are two types: improper integral of first kind, improper integral of second kind, right?